In this little video, we're dealing with how to create cohesion. There are three types of cohesion. There's lexical cohesion, there's grammatical cohesion, and there's rhetorical cohesion. This video will focus on lexical cohesion, which means the cohesion that is established through a choice of words. Now, one way of creating lexical cohesion can be directly repeating words in a text. It could also be sticking to the same word families. So words belonging to the same family could be sign, signal, signpost, etc. Synonyms and antonyms, you probably know those. Collocations. Collocations are the ones that co-occur at the same time or have a mutual preference, such as rancid butter or beautiful woman. Or it could be coordination, such as salt, pepper, mustard. Words that belong to the same type of category, so to speak. It could also be words from the same semantic field. The semantic field is the field of meaning that we find words within. So, for example, within the field of birds, we could talk about doves, we could talk about seagulls, robins, and sparrows. They would all belong to the same semantic field. And finally, we could talk about cohesion established through substitution with one or ones. Now, let's look at an example. You know this article from New York Post, and if you don't, you should maybe pause your video and have a look at it, because I've linked in your forms, I've linked to the text as such. But if you know it, if you remember it, let's just look at how cohesion is established here. Now, Obama is referred to as president, leader of the free world, and standard bearer for everything. So these synonyms are all established to elicit a contrast of what Obama should be, in order to contrast to what happened on that particular day when he came across Helle Thorning. By negative things, he lost his morality, his dignity, and his mind. And he giggled, flirted, and whispered. They're all belonging to the same semantic field of doing something with a woman that you're attracted to. In this example, there wasn't any examples of substituting words or sentences with one or ones, so you'll have to find that elsewhere. Now, this is all for now. The next video is about grammatical cohesion, but you should answer a few questions before going to that.